Let's say somebody is from a family business, or he wants to create his own, he or she wants to create his own startup, and his CAT scores are such that they can get a seat in an IIM or any tier 1 colleges. Would you recommend this person to join Midas or this tier 1 business schools, traditional business schools?
Right. So again, as I said, the entire track or the entire journey of an entrepreneur is very different from somebody who is looking out for a job, from a mindset per se. There is no doubt that a lot of our startups or unicorns have had IIMs as a part of the founding team. There have been IITians who have been as a part of the founding team. But I find there's a lot of drift that is happening for building sustainable startups, probably even very, very large startups from tier 2 and tier 3, right? So this has not really constrained people from tier 2 and tier 3 to actually look at this kind of opportunity.
Right.
So if the student is of the mindset that he wants to build, he's passionate about, and he wants to build something, and that is the space he's looking at, definitely Midas would be one of the choices you should be considering, because the kind of exploration that he'll probably go through during the program is humongous. I mean, you can't compare it with the kind of thing, because most of these schools are very structured, very, very, very structured, in the sense that they're focused to help you get a corporate job. I mean, that's the whole drive there, right? And that's why people do it. Nothing wrong with that. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. A lot of other things come along with it. But if the student is quite keen, because today I feel there's a lot of opportunity in the entrepreneurship space. People are still realizing it. When we started way back in 2012, I guess, Professor Parag Shah started the Midas School of Entrepreneurship, and that time it was hardly a name, right?
Yeah.
Hardly people knew about entrepreneurship. But today I see a lot of kids, surprisingly, even at 14, 15 years, I get to see some students who really want to do some startup, and they are aware of it. The only thing that they probably lack is the kind of guidance, mentoring, ecosystem support, to help them mitigate the kind of risk that they take. So the question is that if the student is keen on entrepreneurship, definitely he should explore this, because sky is the limit, or beyond sky is the limit, right? There's more to entrepreneurship.
Right.
Else, if he's more of those safety net kind of guys who wants to ensure that he has his job security, who's not a risk taker kind of personality, which is why I said we do this test. We do the assessment to help him understand. The idea is to help him take the decision, right? So,
Right.
So that will probably help him decide on whether he should take this or